Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to teach you how to drive stick in a Ferrari 360 Spider. This is a 2002 Ferrari 360. Modena was the coupe version. Spider is a convertible version that you see here, and it's never too late to learn. I'm proof of that. I just learned how to drive stick last year, and I am 40 years old this year, which means I learned when I was 39. So the lessons that I learned are fresh in my head, and I wanted to share that with you guys and girls, and just to get you the basics on how to be safe and how to get around town without stalling the car. So please comment below if I'm missing anything. I'm not a professional driving instructor, although I did wear a polo, if that counts. And I do have a clipboard here, so maybe I am. Alright, maybe I'm good enough for you. It's free on YouTube anyways, so stop complaining. The first point I want to get through is everybody who thinks they know how to drive stick, maybe they tried a couple times with their friend's car and they remember how. They really don't know how to drive stick smoothly or properly, because I was the same way. So you also have to realize each clutch has a bite point that's slightly different. So, take 10 minutes out and try to figure out where that bite point is. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start feeling the fitment of your feet in the footwells. Okay, so first we're going to put your feet on the your left foot on the clutch pedal and your right foot on the brake, and we're going to push the clutch pedal all the way in and see how far it goes in. Just kind of get comfortable with that. Okay, make sure that you're in a good seating position and that you can comfortably push all the pedals all the way in as needed without overextending your knee. So if you need to brake really fast or put the clutch in suddenly, you can do that without any issues. Secondly is, once you figure out where the bite point is, you want to get some muscle memory. So on this car, it's about halfway up is where the car starts rolling. So it's right about there. In relationship to all the way out is this much more out, right? So down all the way, clutch in, about halfway up is the bite point. And one thing that's really important to know is that driving stick or manual transmission is not like what you see in the movies. It's not just bang bang bang, clutch gas, clutch gas, clutch gas, clutch gas. It's not that. When you're banging the gear shifter, that really won't work. Your car will not be happy. You'll get a lot of jerkiness. You might even stall the car if you don't time it properly. So one thing that's really important is that once you learn your bite point, you learn how to slip the clutch. So now the car is theoretically rolling. You want to tap the gas a little bit. It's about a 1 to 2 second transition. 1 potato, 2 potato, off the clutch, and you can go ahead and roll on the gas. Okay, and then you can roll into second, and quickly into third, quickly into fourth, quickly into fifth, quickly into sixth. So that's our brief introduction. Without having the car started, you might want to rewind it and go through it again. Practice on your car. For now, let's get started. Let's warm up the engine, and I will meet you out on the road. All right, let's go. And we're back. We're in the car, guys. All right, so we're in a safe place. We're in a big parking lot, and we're gonna go ahead and put the car into first gear, put the clutch all the way in, and we're gonna go ahead and let the clutch find the bite point. We're going to come up slowly. Car starts rolling. Okay, right away we're going to put the clutch back in. Go ahead and brake. We're just getting comfortable with the bite point. Again, clutch out, about halfway. All the way back in. Brake in. Okay, you're going to keep doing this till you get comfortable in your own car or your rental car. If you're renting a vintage car like a Cobra replica or a Spider replica, they're all going to be stick shift anyway, so you want to take some time and get used to the clutch how it feels in your foot. Get that muscle memory down. So again, clutch out, about halfway. And you notice how there's a change in tone on the engine where the clutch plate meets the engine. You're going to hear a little bit of tone change in the humming of the engine. Here, let's watch. Hear that tone? The rumble? Okay. It's when the drivetrain gets mated. Okay? So we'll do this a couple more times. Clutch out. It's rolling, it's rolling, it's rolling. Okay. And we can go ahead and put the brakes on. Okay. One more time, one last time. Ready? Alright. Pull the clutch out. There we go. It's rolling, it's rolling, it's rolling. Engine's happy. Okay. Now we can give it some gas. Alright, so now let's take you around town. So now you know how to go from a stop to basically 5 miles an hour. You can shift up to second gear. You still need to slip the clutch. Okay? One thing you really need to learn how to do is slip the clutch. So let me demonstrate that before we go around town. Alright. You're at a complete stop. Okay? Now, you let that clutch out a little bit. And you're rolling. Now you go ahead and give it a tap of gas. I mean about 1,000, maybe 1,500 RPMs. Count 1 alligator, 2 alligator. Go ahead and let that clutch go. You just slip the clutch. So your car is moving around nice and smooth. No jerkiness. Right? Do that again. Okay. Clutch in. Full stop. Full stop. Go ahead and let that clutch out. Start rolling. Give it a little gas. Alright. You can hear that good humming. Go ahead and let the clutch out. Now. One more time. Let's go to a full stop. Okay. I was doing it in second gear. My bad. Alright. First gear. We're going to go ahead and roll. Give it a little gas, slip in the clutch, now let up the clutch. Go ahead and shift to second. Slip it. I'm just holding the clutch. Little gas, a couple seconds. Let go of the clutch. Roll on the gas. Okay? You don't have to slip the clutch going to third. You can just get off it real quick. Same with fourth. Just get in, get off real quick. Fifth and sixth are the same way. Now, one thing real particular with these Ferrari 360s and 430s is it's a single mass flywheel. So you got to keep the revs up. We'll go to first, second. I'm giving it a little gas before I complete the shift. Okay? Likes that a lot. I likes it a lot. Go ahead and coast to neutral. Here we are on second. Roll and stop. Okay. On a third. Fourth. There it is. Simple as that. Just repeat these techniques, and I know you're going to get it. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Bye-bye.